Hi everyone and welcome to another Kingaru video. On today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up the Kingaru MainNet using your mobile device. Now the steps are pretty simple and it's similar to setting it up on your desktop, but sometimes we're always on the run and all we want to do is use our cell phones, and this is the video for you. But before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also share. Let's get into the video. Alright, for the first step, we're going to head over to the Apple Store or the Google Store and download MetaMask. I already have it on my iPhone device, so I'm just going to show you the next step. So I'm going to tap on MetaMask. Give it 1 second to load. Alright, so I'm on the Binance Smart Chain network, and what we're trying to do is we want to add the Kingaru network onto our MetaMask in our mobile device. So the next step is we're going to tap on the hamburger menu. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to networks. And since it's not here, we have to add the network manually. So on the bottom of this video, we're going to have a link where you could click on the link and it's going to show you exactly what you have to put in. I'm also going to do it here so you could also follow these steps. And make sure that when you're entering the information has to be completely accurate. Now we're all set. So for the next step, I'm just going to tap on the add button. And there you have it. The Kingaru MainNet is now installed or added onto our MetaMask wallet. Now we could trade and receive KruCoin by simply tapping on it, receive, and you could use this barcode or you could copy the wallet address to start receiving, and you can also send. And keep in mind that you're going to have the ability to also shop just by hitting the hamburger menu and going to browser. I'll definitely show that to you in a later video. And that's it. Alright, I hope that video was very simple to follow. If you have any questions regarding how to set up Kingaru MainNet on your desktop or on your mobile device, please put it in the comments below. Adrian Aurelius, and you have a fantastic afternoon. Thanks for watching.